Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java class number 7. In this video, I will going to show you Java 5 phrases, how to work Java and how many steps do follow Java program to execute. Now let's get started. Here you see edit, compile, load, verify and execute. So these are 5 steps of Java. So now let's see details. So program development process. Here a diagram of process. So now let's see how to work part by part. First you see this is text editor. I mean it's we are call it NetBeans editor and it could be another thing. So we are usually take NetBeans and first you need to know that so when we are create a file for a project, then when you save this file, then you remind that as a source code .java. I mean when you give a name and name .java. So this is a Java extension. Now let's go to the practically. I always try to show you practically. Now let's go to where is the okay, that's the NetBeans. Okay, now first we need to create a project file. So here is the file and new project. Select a Java application, next, and give a file name. So here I take a 5-step file name, and remember that your file name should be first letter should be capitalized. So otherwise it's probably not working. Okay. So now let's finish. So this is my main project file, and then you see this is a 5step.java. Okay, so this is our class name and that. So this is a Java extension. Okay, now let's come back here. Okay, so you see this is a source code.java. So what is source code? You know that actually what is source code. So here you see this is a source code which is possible by read and write a human being. Okay, but you see here, but this source code is not understand this Java virtual machine, which we are call it JVM. JVM know just only bytecode. If you see the bytecode, you didn't understand actually what is the mean by bytecode. So bytecode is read and write is very complicated as a human being. That's why bytecode is very secure and very powerful. And nobody hack easily this bytecode and nobody understand to make another thing. Okay. So we are know that first the source code convert to bytecode and then the bytecode is going to Java virtual machine and then ultimately execute. So this is a process, and then you need to know that very well. The Java compiler compile your code and then the compiler is transferred to bytecode. Okay, and the bytecode is loading your code. Here you see load your code. When the bytecode is loaded, then this code is transferred here, Java virtual machine. What does Java virtual machine your code? So first, Java virtual machine see that your code verifying, your code clarifying, and your code if you broken any rules and regulation of Java programming. So everything is check your code, the Java virtual machine. If you have a clear, then the Java virtual machine transferred to execute. Then you see your result, what you type your text editor. So those are process Java programming. Okay. So here is the 5 step. I think you got it. If you have any doubt or if you don't understand this video, comment me and I will try to make another video which part you didn't understand. I will clear to the next video. So this video is enough for today. Have a good day. See you the next video, another topics.